Hours by Rosa Mulholland. Read for LibriVox.org by Greg Giordano, Newport Richey, Florida. Sweet as hours were Eden bowers, swaying grasses, floating flowers, all blown one lovely way, when the soft south winds at play, under our hedge of rose, where the hill water flows, a little mother water hen, surrounded by her brood of 10, flutters in the shadow, there, by the open meadow. Sweet's our forest walk, green and dusk for lingering talk, cool as the sea nymph's grot, when the sun is high and hot. We have sunflowers in a row, out where the west's aglow. We have hollyhocks and lilies, hyacinths and daffodillies, pansy pea and rose enchanting, in our pleasaunce flaunting. Bees go haunting there, and overhead the lavender, white butterflies are in the air. Sundial beside the rose marks how swift the glad day goes, finger long and black, following grimly on time's track. Peacock stiff with pride, jeweled like an eastern bride, glance of insolence, seeking for offense, ebon-crested head, tail of splendor spread, hoary orchard trees, with boughs like wreathed lattices, little lamps of red and yellow, where the fruit is mellow. Yonder's a bushy grove, alive with songs of love, as all the songbirds of the air did celebrate their bridals there. Blackbird and wood guest, each lord of his own nest, bullfinch, tit, and thrush, at home in thorn and ivy bush, forth from every throat a song, when the daylight waxeth long. For now the rain falls over every bird within the cover, poet is as well as lover. Fairies trip and pass across the lush and purple grass, where the shade is deep and wide, they dart about and hide under the canopies of the limes and chestnut trees. When the summer's gone, ice on field and lawn, skies may gloom and glower, still our joys in flower. When the clouds have found us, golden walls are round us, where the sun doth enter, there with us to winter. No one knoweth where he goeth, when the storm wind bloweth, and the stream no longer floweth, only we who live always in his fostering rays. End of poem. This recording is in the public